Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove Zoom profile picture. So actually that's so simple to be done. Alright, so first there are two options that you can do. First, if you have the application, you can just go into it and then click on this on your profile picture, and then put your mouse on the top of uh, your name and email, and then click on my profile. That's for the ones who have the app. Okay, so for the ones that they don't have the app, they can just type zoom.us, enter, and then sign in to your account. Alright, and then you will go into my account, here my account, then profile. Okay, so once you got to your profile, here you can edit too many things, and also you can change your profile on Zoom. So by clicking on your profile picture. Alright, so here there are three options. You can choose from your files, and also you can take a photo by your camera, your phone camera, or your laptop camera, and also you can delete the picture. And uh, once you click on it, you click uh, they ask you if you really want to delete your profile picture. If you press on no, it's not deleted yet. If you clicked on yes, here you can't find your picture anymore. So to add it again, you just need to choose a file from your files, and you got your picture back, or another picture. Anyways guys, that's the video, and thank you so much for watching. See you next video.